Everyone, this is Udan Creating Identity, a Kulachi enterprise. Today you can see that Mrs. Manju Kapoor, who is supervisory head in Kulachi Hansraj Model School and a physics teacher, is guiding students on making block prints. Yes, Manju ma'am, we are ready for the workshop.
So these are the various blocks which have been taken from the market after placing special order so as to create them in a specific way. So this is basically to preserve the cultural heritage of India. With this idea, it is my passion to work on these blocks. As you can see, several patterns are there. This is for the border. See, you can see if you want to make something which is circular, you can make use of this block. If you want to make something on, say, cards, you can make use of a smaller block like this.
Pinu, can you tell me what kinds of products we are making in Udan Handicrafts where these blocks prints can be used?
We are making hankies, paper bags, cloth pieces for our customers, some specialized other products as well.
Okay, so do you think these blocks can help us in creating designs on those pieces?
Yes, they can surely help us. They are very beautiful.
So let us learn how to do block printing.
So there are many ways by which one can proceed. One is to take this binder acromin dye from the market, and this is a acromin dye solution which can be dissolved in the binder. So first of all, we'll take binder and then we'll put this acromin solution dropwise and we'll mix it. You can take color of your own choice. If you want dark shade, you can mix more of this. Then you have to apply it evenly on a given block like this.
What kind of colors are used for making these blocks?
We can make use of Fevicryl colors, and then these acromin dyes and binders are there.
Can we use poster colors?
No, because in case of say splitting of water, the whole thing will bleed.
Okay, okay.
You can make use of these colors, and as you can see here, you have to put even pressure, right? And then you have to pick up quickly like this, right? Otherwise the pattern will not be good. So you can try this yourself. Put it on the margins of the sheet. And
Yes,
then
children, you can try.
you can try this. Please apply even pressure, otherwise it will not come up nicely. And if you want to make border of a sari, say, then you will have to be very careful, because with single block the whole border can be created.
Nice.
You can also try.
So these blocks can be put on paper cards, envelopes and paper bags,
Hankies,
handkerchiefs.
you can try.
We
Different
can apply two colors also on this.
Yeah.
half. That's a brilliant idea.
On the same block.
On the same block. This is a new idea. You can try this. But
You
pressure
see,
should
the
be even.
Udan project is giving lots of opportunities to students in terms of enhancing their creativity, thinking skills, imagination. And
You can
children
also
are
try.
trying and exploring various things for making the products.
You can try making a pattern on this.
Yes. as you can see that children have made paper bags and now they are trying block prints on the paper bags.
Green on this.
School Enterprise Challenge has given ample opportunities to teachers and students to know their potential and explore hidden talent.
Using a small brush, you can later on, if you find that there is some uneven distribution of color, you can make use of 0 number brush and
To
you
fill
can to fill it up.
How do we clean the blocks?
You can just wash them
With water?
with water if you are making use of fevicril colors. In this case, you have to wash it in turpentine oil.
Okay, for cleaning the blocks, turpentine oil is used when you are using fevicril colors, but in case you are using water-based colors, that can be easily washed in running water. So this is how production of items is done in Udaan Creating Identity. Children learn through various workshops organized by teachers or ex-students, and with their expertise they learn variety of skills and they create products. These products are sold in sales and exhibitions held during PTM and when invited by some external agencies, some NGOs, and whatever profit is earned is given to Manovikas Kendra or special children for girl education and supporting education. So whatever they are doing is enhancing their skills and helping them to know their potential, and they are learning how to work for a good cause in a team. Thank you very much.